मुंबई एक्सप्रेस न्यूज में आप सभी का स्वागत है।
So this is Mumbai Express coming to you live and exclusive from Goregaon East, where we have a blood donation camp organized by the Shiv Sena Shaka Kramank 51 and 54. And as you see, all the blood donors over here coming out in large numbers to donate their blood for a good cause for the society. We also had a lot of distinguished guests among the blood donors. One was our Deputy Mayor, Mr. Suhas Wadkar, and also a lot of distinguished guests, as Shaka Pramukhs from Ward number 51 and 54. So, very good morning, Mumbai Express. Very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen, coming to you live on social media. This is Mumbai Express coming to you live from Goregaon East and from a blood donation camp. As you know that a lot of blood donation camps have been organized by the Shiv Sena all over India, all over Bombay, and Mumbai Express is at one blood donation camp right here in Goregaon East, and I am with two distinguished guests over here right in front of me. One is the Deputy Mayor of Bombay, of Mumbai, Mr. Suhas Wadkar. Sir, इस ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप के बारे में आप कुछ बताना चाहते हैं?
सबको सर्वप्रथम जय महाराष्ट्र. माझी कुटुंब माझी जवाबदारी. हमारे लाडले मुख्यमंत्री, हमारे पक्ष प्रमुख श्री उद्धवजी ठाकरे, उनके आदेश के अनुसार पूरे महाराष्ट्र में ब्लड डोनेशन काम लिया जा रहा है. यहाँ पे श्री दत्त गुरु सेवा मंडल और हमारी शिवसेना शाखा 51 और 54, इनके दोनों के कंबाइन होने से ये ब्लड कैंप और बड़ा हो गया है. जो कोविड-19 का संकट हमारे देश के ऊपर था, हमारे महाराष्ट्र के ऊपर था, आज मुंबई में है, मगर इसका जो कंट्रोल है वो पूरी तरह आज हमारे हाथ में है. मगर एक दिन ऐसा था कि ये आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल था, मगर आज पूरी हमारे हाथ में है. फिर भी लोगों को जो हॉस्पिटलाइज होते हैं, जो रुग्ण हैं, उनको ब्लड की ज़रूरत है. वो ब्लड और प्लाज्मा, ताई ने अभी बताया, प्लाज्मा की भी ज़रूरत रहती है. इसके लिए ब्लड कैंप आवश्यक है. पर ये पहला साल नहीं है, ये 18 साल यह कार्यक्रम इसी जगह पे होता है. यहाँ पे हमारे उपविभाग प्रमुख शिवसेना के और इधर के श्री दत्त सेवा मंडल के जो सर्वा है वो बंड्या देसाई सर, उन्होंने ये 18 साल आरोग्य शिविर हो, रक्तदान हो, या दिव्यांग लोग रहते हैं, अपाहिज लोग रहते हैं, उनके लिए व्हील चेयर, स्टिक रहती है, हर तरह से मदद यहाँ दत्त जयंती के उत्सव पे किया जाता है. इसके लिए मैं हमारी शिवसेना शाखा 51 और 54, उसी तरह श्री दत्त सेवा मंडल को मैं शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ कि इसी तरह आप लोगों की सेवा करते रहे. हम आपके पीछे हैं.
मैडम, आप कुछ बताना चाहते हैं दर्शकों को कोविड के बारे में, माझे कुटुंब माझी जवाबदारी, इसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहते हैं?
Shivsena. When the name comes Shivsena, it is all in one. It is the Sena for the welfare of the people. Always the welfare of the people is taken into consideration, and so the organizations in Shivsena, the mandals, like Sudhakar Desai, he has organized through his Datta Seva Mandal. He has not only organized the blood donation camp, but 18 years he has been organizing blood donation camp plus people handicapped, he gives them the wheelchair. Always a helping hand from Datta Guru Seva Mandal, and along with hand in hand Shiv Sena, Shakha 51 and 54. And you can also consider that we only don't do in the crisis or calamities or anything disasters. No, this work is always there. It is our every year and always. To me, you go in by lanes, you go in lanes, you will see each and every mandal also collect bottle of blood. We say Raktadan Mahadan. So donation of blood is a great thing. We need donation of blood. We need blood bottles for component. We remove component plasma from there. And this message has been given by our CM, our Uddhavji Thackeray, that you have to take the responsibility of your ward. Your ward means your parivar, your family. So the slogan says, माझा परिवार माझी जवाबदारी. My family, my response. मेरा परिवार मेरी जवाबदारी. So ये तीनों लैंग्वेज में जो मैंने कहा है, we are staunch believer and follower. So we do this in our house. If anybody is sick, who looks? Neighbors don't come. Neighbors will, family. So if it is my family, I have to take care of my family. If it is my ward, I have to take care of my ward. Not the neighbor of the ward will come and take care. So this is the way we are coordinating, we are generating, and we are energizing people to come forward and do the blood donation. Even the ladies, even my Shaka Pramukh, Sheila Rathod, I don't know where is she. Being a lady, she's a very hard worker, core hard worker of Shiv Sena. She is my Shaka Pramukh of Lady Shaka Pramukh 52. She has also donated the blood. So in our Shiv Sena, all ladies and gents are one. We are not two. So it is a part of the body. Like that, we all organize things for the welfare of the people. Dhanyavad.
Well, thank you very much for talking to Mumbai Express. This was, we had our Deputy Mayor of Bombay, Mr. Suresh Warkar, and
Sadhana Mane.
Suvas Warkar. And
Sadhana Mane, corporator.
thank you very much.